Introducing Platito, Polycius scotillaria of the family Araliaceae. Platito is a tropical evergreen shrub or small tree reaching heights of 2 to 6 meters with a many branch habit and spirally arranged leaves on branched ends. Its leaves are variable, often simple and opposite or adpinitely compound, with 1 to 5 leaflets that are broadly elliptic to nearly round, measuring 3 to 20 centimeters long, glabrous with margins that may be entire, toothed or lobed, sometimes featuring white variegation. Platito is an ornamental plant that is used in garden and landscapes. It is also used as a houseplant due to its attractive foliage and low maintenance requirements. The plant is also used medicinally to treat skin conditions and as antiseptic. Platito stands out as an emerging botanical champion, offering a wealth of natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds with great promise for optimizing health and well-being.